Hello everyone, I'm Meghna T, Assistant Professor, Department of Psychology, Teresian College, Mysore. In today's tutorial, we are going to study about neurons, the structure of a neuron and the types of neurons. Neurons are cells specialized for reception, conduction and transmission of electrochemical signals. The primary components of the neuron are the soma, cell body, the axon, a long slender projection that conducts electrical impulses away from the cell body, dendrites, tree-like structures that receive messages from other neurons, and synapses, specialized junctions between the neurons. Some axons are covered with myelin, which is a fatty material that acts as an insulator and conductor to speed up the process of communication. Here you can also see the nodes of Ranvier, which are the gaps between the myelin insulation of Schwann cells which insulate the axon of a neuron. Now, Schwann cells are the main glial cells of the peripheral nervous system which wrap around axons of motor and sensory neurons to form the myelin sheath. You will learn more about glial cells in the coming tutorials. Neurons are classified based on the number of projections emanating from their cell body. A multipolar neuron has more than two processes extending from their cell body. A unipolar neuron has one process extending from the cell body. A bipolar neuron has two processes extending from its cell body. Another classification of neurons is the interneuron. Neurons with short or no axons are called as interneurons. There are two kinds of gross neural structures in the nervous system. They are known as cell bodies and axons. Cell bodies in the central nervous system, clusters of cell bodies, are known as nuclei. Cell bodies in the peripheral nervous system are called as ganglia. The axons which are present in the central nervous system are known as tracts. Axons which are present in the peripheral nervous system are known as nerves. Now let us see some wonderful diagrams of the structure of the neurons done by the first year MSc students of Teresian College. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.